What's up, you guys? It's been a while. No, I haven't been consistent on videos, but I have a few things to do today. For one, we need to move the truck because we finally sent the transmission for our truck, our Mustang that's behind me. We're gonna get that thing up and running now, but I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. Hopefully the wife doesn't wake up because she's sleeping, but no promises because the truck is under the awning right now, so we'll see. If you guys can hear me over the truck, but we recently bought this like a year and a half ago. Bought it off a kid. He was selling it, kind of got a good deal on it. It's in I think 07, 08 Mustang. I always really wanted one of these models. I came back from a 2012 one, but I recently sold that one and actually used the money for that for a down payment for our truck. But we love our truck, but I got this for us. Originally it was supposed to be for my wife, but she took the initiative of just keeping the truck, and this will be my new project for the channel. So it's like I said, either it's an 07, 08 Mustang. Had a few things done to it. It had like a throttle body done to it. It has I think like a K&N intake on it. But the problem with it right now is the transmission took a shit. We sent it out already to do the clutch shot, the transmission rebuilt on it, and so we'll be getting that back soon. We actually just went to go pay the guy like a couple of days ago. So I just want to put this on jack stands or all four wheels as jack stands, just because if we put this on jack stands, it wouldn't really fit over it, the transmission at least. So it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but I have to do it because if not, I can't really fit it under there. But like I said, it's a K&N intake and then a throttle body. I don't know, it's like an eBay brand, I guess. I don't know what kind of brand that is, but we did wash the engine bay. It was kind of dirty. It's been sitting for a while, but today I'll put it on fours. The transmission's already out of it, and yeah, just been taking it easy on this stuff because I have a full-time job. Can't really get around to this stuff that much no more. Not like how I used to, at least. But slowly but surely, though, we'll take it easy. We'll put the transmission in it and we'll start. modding to it. Like obviously there's cosmetic stuff that we need to change out. We changed out the front bumper on it because it was messed up. That fender on the driver's side is messed up. We need to get a new one of those. And then there's like a little dent right here on the trunk. I don't know if I want to replace this trunk or get a new one, but it's like right here on the trunk, on the edge of it. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take that out, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, guys, this will be the new project for the channel. So stay tuned. We'll have a little more things doing to it. We have some mods for it already. We have BBK shorties for it, but I'm not too sure if I want to stay with the shorties or if we're gonna go long tube headers for this, because I know for mine, well, the Mustang that I used to have, it had just the downpipes for the cat deletes, but I don't know if we're gonna keep this one stock or not, because where I live, it's kind of emissions really strict right now, so we'll see. But I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse of me putting out jack stands, or wheels I guess you can say, for jack stands, and then we'll put actual jack stands on the around of it. So if it does fall off the wheels, then at least the jack stands will kind of save me. But yeah, guys, I'll give that a time lapse, right? I'll be right back. Alright guys, so there it is. It's all on all the wheels. Yes, I know this is ghetto, but this is how it worked for me last time. I put the wheels underneath the actual wheels of the car so it can actually hold itself. But yeah, there it is. Yes, I'm putting jack stands underneath if these for some odd reason fail, so you guys don't fucking roast me in the comments, be like, oh, this is unsafe, this and that. But obviously it's my life, not yours. So, but here's some of the parts for it. Here we have the drive shaft that we took out of it, the stock, I guess you call the cats to the Y pipe for the exhaust to connect to the mufflers. And then, so for clutch and flywheel wise, the car did come with a stage 2 clutch. I don't remember what kind of clutch it is. I don't remember. I would have to look in the box, but it is a stage 2. That's what I do know. It does come with a light flywheel, so I guess it'll be a little bit more peppier in the rev range, I guess, when you rev it up. But pretty much that. Mostly everything is stock besides, like I said, the intake manifold. The intake. See the filter and the throttle body for it, but that's pretty much it. That's done to it, besides an exhaust, but we're gonna be ditching that exhaust, like I said. I'm still debating if I want to do the shorty headers, because they're easy, but at the same time it's kind of hard, because on this side, I think this is like something for the EGR, and this connects actually to the actual exhaust for it. See that little bolt? Let's see if I can zoom into it. That bolt goes onto like that stock shit right here. I don't really know what it's for, but it is on the BBKs, so I don't know. We'll see, because like I said, I don't know if I want to go long tube headers for this. It would be nice, but obviously it is a V6. We'll see though. We'll be waiting for the transmission to come back, and then we'll install everything, and we'll make a video on that. like I said, you guys, sorry about the late uploads. I've been really busy with work, so it's mostly taking up my time. Hopefully in the near future I could quit my job and do YouTube for full time, but we'll see. The algorithm is kind of crap right now, so but we'll see. But that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.